Dumb.
Christmas Day.
Yo, he's finna get dumb right now. He's finna go hyphy. Yeah, man, we got the music though. Go ahead, Oos. Come on, nigga.
Go down here.
Come on, bruh.
Here we go.
Alright, that guy's really gay.
Shout out me, I'm talking about, man. You know what I mean? It's Merry Christmas out here, man. But, anybody that else that disagree with it, look down. Suck my dick.
Alright, man.
Trust me, he don't have some.
Oh, you too, man. Hey, that's rated R.
That guy right there is gay.
Fuck you, nigga. Pay me, nigga.
Nigga, fuck you too, nigga.
Want to shout out to everybody, to Bill, East Palo Alto, you feel me, to the G. They all fucking with, man. Fremont, Hayward, Concord. He's bad. We East Bay bound, but you know what I mean?
It's whatever, ese.
It's whatever. You want to fuck with it, come fuck with me, nigga. Yeah! Yeah, man!
Yeah! What you gonna do, Oos? You better post or say something, Oos, you know what I'm saying?
Merry Christmas.
You know what I'm saying?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Raiders. Happy New Year. Raider Nation.
Raider Nation. Chill.
The Raiders. It's Raiders out here, boy.
Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Merry Christmas all day, you know what I'm saying?
Raiders.
He used to go for the 49ers.
Out here to fight, nigga.
Happy New Year.
He's gay! That's why they call him the gay area.
That's right. Hit me up.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to hit you up? Oh, that's cool.
Ew, I knew it.
I'll call you tomorrow, right? Oh, for sure, that's good.